If you're not copying channels with AI in 2025, I honestly don't know what to tell you. Imagine this. A few days ago, I was relaxing on my couch and my little girl was singing along happily to animated kids' songs playing on TV. She was overjoyed and I couldn't help but smile. Fast forward 2 days later, as I was scrolling through YouTube, I stumbled upon the exact same animated kids video. I was stunned. Curious, I decided to dig deeper and checked out the channel behind it. What I discovered completely blew my mind. This channel, posting simple animated kids songs, was pulling in millions of views per hour. And that's not all. They are making between $4 million and $11 million every single month from these videos. Right then, I promised my little girl I'd create similar kids song videos using AI, and guess what? I'll show you exactly how I did it in this video. Stick around, hit the like button, and subscribe because you don't want to miss the strategies that will take your eye game to the next level. Creating kids content that generates millions of dollars starts with understanding what makes kids stay engaged. Here's the secret formula. Number 1. Visual attraction. Bright and colorful visuals grab kids' attention immediately. 2. Catchy tunes and melodies. Songs that get stuck in their heads keep them coming back. 3. Movement and action. Characters and objects that move constantly hold their interest. 4. Educational content. Kids love to learn, especially when it's fun and engaging. 5. Interaction and participation. Encouraging kids to sing along or repeat words makes the content memorable. Got it? Now let's dive into the tools and techniques that made this possible. The first thing I did was go to ChatGPT and ask it for engaging kids' animated song ideas that feature visual attraction, movement, educational content, and interaction. ChatGPT provided me with a list of options, and I went through each one carefully to pick the best one. Check this out. ChatGPT gave me around 10 different story ideas that I could choose from, and all of them fit the concept perfectly. Listen up. As ChatGPT is giving you the ideas, make sure you go through each of those and select the one that best suits your preference. Please read through and see which one you're going to choose so that you don't follow it blindly. For example, there was the counting adventure, which seemed like a fun and educational idea. There was also the weather song, which immediately grabbed my attention. And then there was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 Zoo Adventure. It was tough to pick just one, but after considering all the options, I decided to go with the weather song. Once I had the idea, I asked ChatGPT to generate the script and scenes for the weather song. I also asked it to follow the engagement-driven content strategy that is my formula I have been using to write my script. I've been using to make sure the video would have all the right elements. 1. Hook and immediate payoff. The script should immediately grab attention and provide value. 2. Context. The content should be clear and easy for kids to follow. 3. Curiosity gap. The script should keep kids interested by adding little surprises and excitement. 4. Exceeding expectations. Each scene should go above and beyond, offering something unexpected. And look, ChatGPT delivered. It gave me not only the full script, but also the scenes. It followed my strategy perfectly, with a hook and immediate payoff in the first scene. The content went on to exceed expectations by keeping things exciting with every new scene. Now, the last thing I told ChatGPT is to give a prompt to generate a video for the provided scene without forgetting the ideas of the scene. And if possible, 2 prompts for each scene would be fantastic. Now that we have the script, it's time for the visuals. You can have the best story ideas in the world, but if you don't have high quality visuals, your video will never get the views it deserves. I'm going to show you 2 simple methods. The first one is to choose your favorite AI image generator. We have DALL-E, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and Runway ML. In this video, I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this process. Simply go to the image generation section because Leonardo gives you credits to use daily. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI. Don't forget to turn off the prompt enhance setting as you don't want it to modify the prompt. Select 3D render and adjust the contrast to medium or high, whichever you prefer. Set the dimensions to a 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. Then, click on the generate button. Now, repeat the same process for the other scenes. Voila! Leonardo AI has finished generating the images. Let's take a look. This is the opening scene, showcasing rainbow colors and animals illustrating the weather scene. Here is the sunny scene, filled with bright, vivid imagery. And check this out. This is the raining scene, which looks equally stunning. Guys, look! This is absolutely amazing. You can see that Leonardo AI has maintained consistent character design across all the scenes. The images look incredibly realistic, from the splash of the water to the details in the air clouds. Everything is spot on. Now go ahead and download these beautifully generated images to your computer. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, the other method is to use your favorite AI video generator. There are tons of options you can choose from. Some of the best include Kling AI, Hailuo AI, Voodoo, and many more. For this tutorial, I will go for Hailuo AI Minimax because it's new to the market and the results it delivers are absolutely spot on. Now, we'll start by using the image to video feature, and after that, we'll explore the text to video feature. Let's begin. First, I'll go ahead and upload the image we generated earlier with Leonardo AI. To do this, I'll click on this upload button here. Once the image is uploaded, it's time to hit generate and let the tool do its magic. Here's something great about Hailuo AI Minimax. It offers a 3-day free trial for new users. After that, it gives you 100 credits for free. However, keep in mind that each video generation costs 30 credits, so you can create up to 3 videos during this free period. Next, I'll upload the other image we downloaded from Leonardo AI and repeat the same process to see how the results turn out. Now, here's what you'll notice. Now, it takes about 5 minutes or more at the time of recording this video to generate each video. Why? Because this tool is gaining popularity and so many people are actively using it to create their own content. So a bit of patience is required, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Alright, here's the exciting part. Look at this! Minimax AI has completely transformed the original static image into a vibrant, dynamic video. Isn't that amazing? The characters are full of life, moving and interacting within the scene. Both characters showcase similar dancing movements, creating a sense of harmony and consistency. Now, check out the second video. It's equally stunning. The characters are performing new activities while the camera movements add a cinematic touch to the scene. And here's the third video. It's just as incredible, with fluid movements and attention to detail that make the video look professional. To save these videos, all you need to do is click on the download button over here. That's it. Your vibrant AI-generated videos are now ready to use. If you're still not convinced, let me show you another method to create animation from text descriptions. For this, I used Minimax's text-to-video feature. After copying the prompts from ChatGPT, I pasted them into Minimax and let it generate the animations based on the descriptions. The results were pretty fantastic. I recommend generating the image and turning it into video with Minimax because I had the best result. You can see the difference between the two. The image to video and the text to video. This was the secret strategy I had seen on this channel. And that was what I showed you. Alright, so I went back to ChatGPT. Don't forget that it had given us the narration or the voiceover for the script for the opening scene. So I copied the first scene and headed over to 11 Labs, my favorite AI voice generator, and I went ahead and copied the last narration. I chose the perfect voice for the video and hit the generate button. Then,
hey there friends, do you know what kind of weather we're having today? Let's find out together. It will be so much fun.
I told ChatGPT to give me the lyrics of this music and the style of the music. So I copied it and went to Suno AI. From there, they requested a song description, but I went to the custom mode, clicked on get started, and pasted in the lyrics. I made sure to do a little cleanup and didn't forget to add the style. Now that we've got all the key components, the voiceover, the music, and the animated scenes, it's time to bring everything together into one polished, seamless video. For the editing process, I chose to use CapCut, one of the most popular and powerful editing tools out there. It's user-friendly and has all the features needed to create a professional-looking video. Let me walk you through the steps I took. The first step is to import all the assets you've gathered. This includes the video clips, the voiceover, and the background music. Simply open CapCut, start a new project, and import everything into your media library. Make sure you have everything ready to go, so you can keep the workflow smooth and efficient. Once everything is imported, it's time to start assembling the video. I took all the clips, each scene from the animation, and dragged them into the timeline in the order they should appear. As I did this, I made sure that the video flowed seamlessly with the music. Syncing the timing of the video to the beat of the music is crucial, especially when working with kids' content, to ensure it holds their attention. I adjusted the clip lengths and timing to make sure each scene transitioned smoothly. Add transitions to smooth the flow between scenes. To make the video feel fluid and natural, I added transitions between each scene. These transitions help create a professional finish and make the video flow more smoothly. CapCut offers a variety of transitions like bass, sweeps, and slides, so I chose the ones that work best with the mood and pace of the video. This step is essential because it prevents any awkward jumps from one scene to another and keeps the viewer engaged. I made a few final tweaks. Once I was satisfied with the result, I hit the export button to finalize the video. CapCut offers several export settings, so I chose the highest resolution to ensure the video would look crisp and professional when uploaded to YouTube.
Hey there, friends. Do you know what kind of weather we're having today? Let's find out together. It will be so much fun.
Raindrops help the flowers grow so tall. Rainy days are fun for one and all. Whoosh goes the wind, hear it blow. Let's fly a kite and watch it go. Hold on tight, don't let it slip. Windy days are such a trip. When it's snowing, it's cold outside. Put on your scarf and take a slide. Snowflakes fall soft and white. Snowy days are such delight. Sunny, rainy, windy snow. Now you know how weather goes. Look outside, what do you see? What's the weather? Tell it to me.
Great job, friends. You're now weather experts. Don't forget to come back and sing with us again. Bye!
And that's it. The final product was ready for upload. The editing process can take some time, but it's worth every second to make sure your video is polished and professional. If you want me to cover any topic for you, like and subscribe and check out how I created consistent character with Hailuo AI Minimax.